Yeniden.
Our project is a laser Morse code project. It basically uses optical devices or a laser to communicate through two different points using Morse code protocol. On this side we have the transmitting module, which is basically an Arduino connected to a laser that's inside this box. And on this side we have the receiving module. The receiving module has a photodiode connected to it, which basically acts as a light sensor for the incoming laser. Now the transmitter encodes the text, the given text in Morse code, and then it starts pulsing the laser based on a predetermined pulse width. And then the receiving module takes that same predetermined pulse width and decodes the incoming signal from Morse code to normal human readable text. If we plug in our system here, it's going to start transmitting the signal from this side to the other. Now, as you can see on the terminal, the output is being printed. And that's basically it.